Good evening, chat. Hello. Hello. This is pretty good, because the Tarp monster did get someone.
Close.
High stepping.
Oh, boy, there we go.
Mayday!
Oh, no.
He got eaten by the tarp.
He's under there.
They're not even stopping. No pause.
The Tarp monster did get someone. This is a Great American Ballpark, by the way. And here's a good friend of the crew. Now they're gonna start doing the thing like they did in like elementary school to get air under the tarp. To give him give our grounds crew member a little room to run out of there. Do I know the grounds crew worker? I don't know that specific worker, but I know some people in the grounds crew. She spark on my shard till I Hadoop. Okay. I've changed my mind, AI is good. Which MLB player would be your pick to go apple picking with on a crisp fall afternoon? Mike Moustakas, a third baseman who has played for Milwaukee Brewers, Cincinnati Reds, and other teams, would be an excellent choice for apple picking. Moustakas is known for his easygoing and friendly nature, making him a pleasant companion for a leisurely activity, like apple picking. True and real. True and real. I swear no one's gonna believe any of this insanity happened 30 years from now. The court filings in a federal bankruptcy court in Delaware dated July 20th include a memo crafted by an FTX Foundation official and Sam Bankman-Fried's brother, Gabriel Bankman-Fried. The ultimate strategy, according to the memo, was to purchase the sovereign nation of Nauru in order to construct a bunker/shelter that would be used for some event where 50 to 99.99% of people die to ensure that most effective altruists survive. What? So yes, when you are in bankruptcy court, remember to always try to use the let's save the effective altruist card. Pretty soon I'll cash in some of my Sprite Coin profit and buy Nauru. Okay. Who was there for the last fanny pack stream? I thought this was a very good representation of the entire stream. This clip. I thought it was pretty good.
It's... okay. Okay. Maybe it's gonna be harder than I thought.
That's so sad. Like a fucking actual crowd of people. A for effort. A for effort.
Okay. Maybe it's gonna be harder than I thought.
The stream lasts for an hour and a half, chat. I can't believe I stalled for this long. Where was the one time where like someone like put me out of my misery?
What was that? Oh, you want to say hi? Oh, hold on. Someone wants to say hi to our chat. Hey, what's your name? Chase. Chase says hi, chat. They say... You don't want to know what they're saying. Would you like to participate in a giveaway? All you need to do is answer one question. And that is name any player on the Reds. De La Cruz, wow. Okay, yes. All right.
Jason Baseball, yes.
I was giving away fanny packs, but what if I give you a bobblehead instead? There you go.
See?
Yeah. 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 There you go.
That was so easy. 30 minutes in, a kid wants to be on stream. Boom. Gave some stuff away. Yeah, he was pumped. And then his family was pumped. He took the bobblehead and started like showing it off to everyone. Like literally another 30 minutes before I start giving stuff away. And by giving away, I mean like not being able to ask anyone.
Yeah. So, I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling good. You know?
Just just crowds of people that I've completely ignored.
I couldn't do it, chat. Oh god. Oh god. It's impossible, dude. It's impossible, dude.
It's so difficult to do that, chat. But then there was this other
Only
guy.
free red stuff. One person literally said, "Oh, I have enough fanny packs."
This guy.
I will take it off if I were you. I'm not supposed to report you. I'm government sanctioned. I don't want to screen it. I can't be on video camera or something like that. Not true.
Do you want a free
So this guy said he can't be recorded because of like the federal something federal, and like people are like following him, right? And I was like, this guy kind of reminds me of another friend I have, so I'm just gonna give him something.
fanny pack?
I have two in my bag.
See, would you like a belt? Here's a free belt.
Man, it's just yeah, I'm not in trouble or anything. Just that I just saw crime and stuff like that.
Okay.
So they don't want me to stuff like that.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Like when
I got it.
crime and you're in a legal case, they don't want.
I don't want to be wrapped up in that either. Enjoy the belt. Okay.
So,
We gave away the belt.
so Valfer's pumped though. Valfer's pumped because it's like, yes, he gave something away. Clipped on the other hand. Clipped on the other hand. Anyway, that stream happened. So many different reasons of why I don't want to give something away, including like talking to strangers, trying to find one person in a group of strangers who's gonna say yes, having the social anxiety of what if two people say yes and you only are giving away one thing, actually asking a bunch of people over time and everyone saying no. The person I ended up giving away the fanny pack to said they didn't want to be on camera, and I was like, well, you're already on it. She was like, okay, would you like this back? I was like, no, just, it's yours. Let me give this away in peace.
Thank you for donating 10 Sprite coins at John_B_Edwards.
Why am I being shot at?